Hello class. It has been observed that most of you in writing the IUPAC nomenclature are committing mistakes. So today I have given you the solution of assignment 1 and solution for assignment 2, and I'm going to explain you how we can name the compounds as well. So for example, this is the solution for assignment 1. Remember that I have given you write the IUPAC name of the following. Question number 1 was this one. Okay, so in this the numbering has to be done first. You can count from any number since both the terminal is a double bond. Okay, now so say for example you can give this as 1 1 1 2 3 4 and 5. Fine. Okay, now you have got 5 carbon atoms, so the parent name is pentane, and we need to give the position of the double bond. One double bond is starting at 1 and the second is starting from 4, so we give pent 1 4. This is the position of double bond, and since how many double bonds are there? There are 2 double bonds, so we write it as diene. Di, it stands for 2. Most of you have written only ene since you have given the position 1 4, but you have written only ene, so you should mention there di because that means there is 2 double bond. Okay, next number 2. Here also, since the double bond is present at over here end, which is a functional group, so we count from here this side 1 2 3 4 5 6. Fine. Now at 3 we have got substituent methyl, and at 4 we have got substituent ethyl. So the substituent is written first, and once again we will follow the alphabetical order which will come first. So ethyl is at 4 position, and at 3 position we have got methyl. So ethyl is written first, so 4 ethyl. Fine. 3 methyl. Then we write in a straight chain we have got 6 carbon atoms, so hex, and the position of the double bond 1 ene. Fine. Okay, similarly the third one we have got triple bonds. You can count from any sign since they are symmetrical in nature. So if you give the number from this side 1 2 3 4 5 6, we have got 6 carbon atoms, so hex hexane. Okay, and over here again we have got 2 triple bonds. One is starting at 2 and other is starting at 4, so once again we'll give that 2 positions 2 4, and for the triple bond we write it as yne, and since we have got 2 triple bond we write it as diene, diene. Okay, next number 4. Here the counting has to be done from this end, not from this end. The reason is that when you count from this side, the double bond occupy the position 2. Okay, so we have to count from that side where the functional group is coming first. So what will happen? We'll count from this side 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbon atom in a straight chain. So at 4 we have got 2 substituent, that is methyl and methyl only, so we mention 4 comma 4. Because of 2 methyl we mention it as dimethyl. Then we have got 6 carbon atoms, so hex, and there is a double bond, so it is at position 2, so we mention the position 2 ene. Fine. So that was for the question number 1. Similarly we will go for the question number 2. Give the IUPAC name of the following. So try to understand how I am named this compound. So the question number 1 was this one. This compound was given. Now over here the numbering you can do from here, giving 1 position, or you can also give to this nitro also. Okay, and you can count in this way. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now at 3 we have got nitro group, so we write it as 3 nitro, and since this is cyclic compound where we have got 6 carbon atom, so cyclohex, hex means 6 carbon atom, and the position of the double bond is 1 ene, so the name of this compound is 3 nitro cyclohexane. Similarly if you see for 2, we have got a functional group Cl and OH. You can give any one to the carbon number. Say for example you can give to this chlorine also number 1, or this OH one number. So if you give this OH as number 1, so it will count from this, say 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we are giving the number from where the functional groups are coming first. Okay, remember that. So at 2 we have got chlorine, so we write it as 2-chloro, because in substituent we write chlorine as chloro. 2-chloro cyclopentanol. Okay, cyclopentanol. Pentanol, why? Because we have got 5 carbon in stretching in this cyclic chain, and OL is the alcohol. Since the position of alcohol is 1, no need to mention. Okay, similarly for 3 you can count it from this way: 1 2 3 4 5 6, and at 2 you have got methyl, so 2 methyl, 6 carbon atoms, so cyclohexanol. Why OL? Because there is OH at the 1. Similarly with this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is a tertiary butyl group. Okay, tertiary means a carbon atom which is attached to 3 other carbon atoms. Okay, that we call it a tertiary carbon atom. So at 3 we have got tertiary butyl because of 4 carbon atoms, so butyl. Cyclohexanol, because we have got a 6-membered ring. Then after that, number 4 we have got this compound. Once again you can number in this way: 1 2 3 4 5 6, or you can give this as 1 2 3 like that. Okay, so the name of this will be 3-ethyl. At 3 we have got ethyl, cyclohex 1-ene. Fine. Now over here we can count the number from 1 2 3 4 5. Remember that if you have got double bond in a cyclic alicyclic compounds, you can count from where the double bond is starting. Okay, so this will be at 2 and 3 we have got methyl, so 2 3 dimethyl. Fine. Then we have got cyclopentene. Why pentene? Because we have got a 5-membered ring, and ene, the position of the double bond is 1. Fine. So that was the solution for assignment 1. Similarly, if you see for solution from assignment 2, okay, assignment 2, give IUPAC name of the following. A, we have got this compound, we have got a double bond as well as triple bond, so you can count from here: 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now when you have got a mixture of double bond and triple, how to name this compound? In the 5 carbon atom, so pent. Fine, pent. Then the position of the double bond we have given 1-en. Then again, once again, that last E will be replaced by the position of triple bond will be 4, so 4-yne. Fine. B, this one we have got a cyclohexanol compound, we can call cyclohexane. So cyclohexane, the position of the triple bond is 3, 1-OL. Okay, similarly if you see for C, this is 1 2 3 and 3 carbon atom, and this C double bond OH is a aldehyde functional group. When you have got aldehyde functional group, the last E of the parent name will be replaced by Al. Fine. So we have written as propane, and last E will be replaced by the position of that is 1-Al. Okay, or simply propanol. Fine. Similarly, if you go for this one, 1 2 3, this is a ketone functional group where the E will be replaced by ONE. So propane, because of 3 carbon atom, 2, the position of that ketone, ONE, and the common name for this is acetone. Okay, similarly this E, 1 2 3, okay, this is a acid group, carboxylic acid group. Okay, C-double-bond-OH, CS2 CS3. Fine. So the name of this will be propanoic acid. Remember that if you have got acid functional group, we replace that E by OIC acid, so it will be propanoic acid. Fine. Then we have got F. We have got alcohol, so 1 2 3. At 2 we have got methyl as substituent, so the name will be 2-methyl propane, and the position of that alcohol is 1, so no need to mention OL. Okay, so we did not mention the position 1, it is understood from that. Similarly, next, this one you can count from here. We always count from that side where the functional group occupied the first position. Okay, or if it is present at the end. 1 2 3 4, so 2-chloro, 3-methyl butanoic acid. Similarly, this one, bromine, 1 2 3 3 carbon atom, so at 1 we have got bromo, so we write 1-bromo, 3 carbon atom, propane. Fine. This once again aldehyde group, 1 2 3 4. Over here we have got 4 carbon atom, and substituent is written first, so I is written as 2-methyl. Fine. Then but, because of 4 carbon atom, the position of the double bond ene and 1Al. And the last one we have got this compound, so we number in this way because the functional group is occupying the lowest position. So at 2 we have got methyl, and this is hydroxy. So according to alphabetical order, hydroxy is written first. Okay, just correct this thing, hydroxy. Okay, so first it will be 4 hydroxy, then 2 methyl, then because of 5 carbon atom, pentanoic acid. Why? Because this is a acid group. Fine. So this is the solution from assignment 2. All of you, please check your IUPAC name and do the corrections as per requirement. Okay, based on that understanding, please do this assignment. Sorry, this will be assignment number 3. Okay, this will be assignment number 3. Today's assignment. Okay, give the IUPAC name of the following. Complete this and send it in my mail.